Imagine shooting a product only once and still having enough content for an entire marketing campaign, luxury ads, social media videos, seasonal promotions, product showcases. Today I will show you how CapCut PC uses AI to turn a single product image into multiple ready-to-publish video assets. This is CapCut PC. It combines AI image, AI video, and editing tools into one single workflow. Instead of switching between multiple apps, you can generate images, creating videos, and edit everything in one place. Today, I'm going to see how far that workflow can go using just one product image. So before we continue, remember the domain CapCut.com. In fact, you can click here to download the software. It supports not only PC but also MacBook, just like what we're having now. And also, if you don't want to download anything, you can click here, try online. Of course, if you prefer a mobile version, you can also download the app of the CapCut. This is a cross-platform product. After you download the app, this is what you're gonna see. So you might know CapCut is a very famous video editing tool, right? You can still do that. You can click here and start editing your video. But today we are trying something different. Creating product marketing content usually requires a lot more than just one product photo. You often need additional footage, lifestyle scenes, transitions, and a complete editing workflow. For small businesses, creators, and marketers, that can be expensive and time-consuming very quickly, right? So the question is, can AI generate entire campaigns? First, I open CapCut and go to AI image right here. And we can upload a product image and enter the simple prompt. So in order to make this example, I just take a photo of my fan. And we'll scroll down, we can find some parameters that we can tweak, for example, like the model. So right now we're using Seedance 4.3. And we can change it to GPT image 2 or Seedance 5.0. I think let's give Seedance 5.0 a chance. And for the resolution, let's choose 2K. Aspect ratio, we can choose 16:9 or many other options, or maybe 9:16 if you want to publish it in TikTok. Let's click here to create our image. Oh my god, can you believe it? We just generated this image by our random photo. And I think it's quite nice already. I also generated many other color, but I love this one very much. And you can change the aspect ratio. We can fit the aspect ratio that we are set. But this is a little different, right? Your result will be here when you click the timeline, and you can change it by click here. The reason why we do this layout, I have been using CapCut for so many years for my YouTube videos, and this workflow just fit me. You don't need to download the images and drag again to the CapCut, but directly you can generate the image from here. This is especially useful when you need more creative assets without arranging another photo shot. I can create poster concepts, close-up product shots, premium backgrounds, and lifestyle scenes, all from single image. Let's try another one. Okay, now we already generated 4 different images. We can pick up one. What about this? And this? And this? Oh my god, my boss will be so happy with this new functionalities, right? I think I'm choose this one. You don't need to hire a model to do this anymore. With CapCut, everything's in control, and you don't need to spend money on different softwares anymore, different AI agents anymore. It used to be you need to pay for CapCut. This is essentials for YouTube or content creator like me. Next, I move directly into AI video. CapCut offers 3 generation methods: text to video, image to video, and reference to video. For this project, I choose image to video. Let's click here, AI video. So for image to video, you also have many entry points. For example, you can upload the image from your computer and then generate your video. But for our timelines, you can click here, click your right panel of your mouse, and click here, image to video. Yeah, like this. And you can type a prompt like, okay, And for the AI models, you have many options as well. Not only the Dreamia Seedance 2.0, which is the best on market, right? But also you can choose different models on market. For example, like the Sora, like the Veo 3, and the Dreamia Seedance 1.0. I think I'm choosing Seedance 2.0 because this is the best. And you can choose different quality even, resolution. You got full HD and even 4K. Oh my god, let's choose this. But for our project, I choose this one first. For duration, you can choose from 5 seconds to 50 seconds. I think 5 seconds for a starter. And for the resolution, because we are choosing 9:16 all the way, so let's choose this one. And let's click create. You know what is the best? You can click here filters and add a filter directly. I can't believe we can make AI generations and video editing in the same place. And also you can add effects and stickers and even put some text next task. And if you don't like the background music, you can click here, extract audio. You can delete it and put a new background music here. That's so nice because I am a CapCut master myself. Alright, so for the next, let's click here, image to video. And this time I don't want to put any prompt here. Directly click create. You don't need to hire any creative agency for you. You can do it alone. This is revolutionary, right? One thing that stood out to me was the consistency. The product remains recognizable across different shots. The visual style stays the same. And the camera movement feels much more natural than I expected. For marketers and creators, this makes it much easier for produce multiple ads, variations from single source image. And I want something more even. Let's create an image first. Let's upload this electronic fan again. Okay, let's generate our image first. Yeah, now I make some variations. I think maybe this works, right? And let's click here, image to video, and let's generate a clip. Okay, now we're here. Click here to preview. Let's place here, and you can click the animation. And in animation, you get 3 options: in, out, and loop. Let's choose the loop. This is how long does it occupy the timeline. You can drag here from start to end. And you can add transitions between each clip to make it more smooth, right? For example, like this one. And actually, when you click here, you can change the duration of the transition. So once the clips are generated, I moved everything into CapCut's multi-track editor. This is where the workflow comes together. I can arrange the clips, add subtitles, insert music, apply transitions just like now, and create the platform-specific versions. What is useful is that the generations and the editing happening in the same ecosystem. There's no need to move files between multiple tools, right? Okay, now let's click play. This entire project started with a single product image. Now it looks like a complete advertising campaign. For creators, small businesses, and marketing teams, this is a powerful way to expand content production without increasing the budget. If you are looking for a faster way to create marketing videos, it's worth mentioning that CapCut now offers 2 different Seedance 2.0 options depending on your creative needs. Seedance 2.0 Mini focuses on speed and efficiency. It allows creators and marketers to generate more videos. There's also a limited time offer currently available. Make it an attractive option for high-volume content creation. For users who prioritize the visual quality, Seedance 2.0 4K delivers ultra-high AI video generation with sharper details and more refined visuals. It's particularly useful for premium advertising, professional product showcases, and commercial marketing content. Whether your priority is faster content creation with Seedance 2.0 Mini or premium visual quality with Seedance 2.0 4K, CapCut offers flexible workflows for different creative goals. Don't forget to check my description to find some useful link for CapCut. And I cannot wait to see what you're gonna create with it. Alright, thanks for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.